Hi my dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on that screen door, and I do have some pictures from Pinterest to use as the inspiration pics. Keep in mind the door's two sides, so we are going to be cutting out two sets of strips with the exception of the three little strips. So you need two 1x13s, two 2x4s, two 1x4s, and you only need three 1.5x4s. So you can peel off the top layer if you want. It's optional and works better if you have the cheap stuff. Then you want to glue all those together for one of your sides. And then you want to put some mesh on here. I'm using wire mesh, but don't use wire mesh. It's hazardous and the little bits stick in your feet because it gets everywhere. Trust me. So then I use washi tape to help hold it, but it didn't hold it. Duh. But your hot glue does need to be flat, so you want to use a silicone mat to flatten your glue so you don't burn yourself. And here's how that ought to look when you're done. And when you flip it over, it looks really neat like this. So now that our foam is exposed, we're just going to add some texture. One way is to take this wire brush, which I also don't recommend, it's kind of hazardous, to scrape along the foam to make wood texture. But this other way is the one I like. I take a pencil, like a lead pencil, and I just score it in that wood pattern. And here it is in brown. This is supposed to be the bottom color, but I don't like this orange coat that I put on here, so I'm eventually gonna paint that back. But for the sake of the video, here it is. And I did add a little knob, and I'm reusing the frame from the other door video, but in the future I will be making this frame not 1 inch. I'll probably be doing like 3/4 of an inch or even 1/2 an inch. So here is the finished result of the door. It looks really nice, but I will be painting that brown because I think it looks better. And that's gonna do it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.